In today's video, we will take out the grille for 2020 Nissan Sentra. We remove the front bumper first, then move ahead to take out the grille. First, we lift the car a little bit. These are the 10 mm screws which we need to take out along with the fender liner side. I'm using impact gun to take out 10 mm screws, but you can use a round head ratchet if you want. Since we took out screws from underneath fender liner, this enables us to push fender liner and we can take out that one 10 mm screw. We slightly pull the bumper. Since this side had an accident, that's the reason why half piece is already gone. But in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out this bumper, you just follow the same steps I showed you earlier in this video. It's the exact same stuff with no difference. It's like comparing your one leg with the other. Assuming we also took out the other side, now we jump on the top part. There were some straightforward clips that we took out using the door upholstery remover. We slightly pulled the bumper and I realized the plug for the fog lamp also needs to be taken out. That was it. We ended up taking out the front bumper completely. Once the bumper is taken out, now we move ahead and take out the bottom screws for the grille. On the bottom side, there were total 4 screws. The 5th screw is on the corner towards the fog light side, which needs to be taken out. Another screw at the very top also needs to be taken out. The other side, the grille was damaged, but in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out the grille yourself, there are the screws that you need to take out. Once all the screws are taken out, now we take out the tabs for the grille. One by one, we will push all the tabs so that the grille loses its grip. Once all the tabs are taken out, there we end up taking out the grille for the front bumper. That was it. If this video helps you in any way, you better consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here's the video where you can watch the complete repair process for the same car, or if you want, you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them and we will catch you in the next video.